We stand today at the center of one of the greatest battlefields ever known. 75 years ago, more than 30,000 paratroopers jumped into Holland. On these riverbanks, 700 men from the 82nd Airborne Division set out to cross the Waal in canvas boats, with paddles that were their rifle butts, with boats that they had never practiced with or never been on before. 48 of them never returned home, and many more, countless more, were grievously wounded. There is no doubt that it was one of the most courageous actions of this war. However, it was not blind courage, but one with clear purpose. Theirs was a daring effort to save the beleaguered British, Polish, and Dutch comrades in Arnhem. That's what gave them the intestinal fortitude to push on, because they knew their comrades to the north were in trouble. For years, the Allies had shown that they could fight together. But during Market Garden, and here in Nijmegen specifically, we found proof that they were willing to fight and die for each other.